Yeah, thank you so much. Welcome to part 2 of the project that I was doing, which is routing and switching mini project implementation. On the first part, we ended on this while we was configuring our redistribution from head office to branch office. Now we are going to do these questions. Configure all server services listed in the main server from the head office and let the users have access according to the client's choice as discussed below. So this is what we are going to do. This has these sub questions. Let's come on this. We are going to see what we are going to do. As I said here, all users from head office should have all access to the server services and resources. As we already configured redistribution, now we can access everything from this head office to the branch office. For example, we can come here and we ping. Let's ping. Let's see the IP of this server. Let's copy it and we ping paste. So we can ping. Let's see if we can access like web. So we can access web service. Let's use this one and we see. Now see, we can access everything. We can also ping. We can access telnet. We can access UDP, can access all TCP services. Yeah. Now, as we configure this redistribution, now this one is working. We can access everything here. And let's go to the fourth question. Users on Wi-Fi should only access web service only. Okay, here we have to use an access list just to do this question. Wi-Fi users are these ones. Means that we must deny everything and we allow only web service. Let's come on this router. Okay, now configure terminal. Let's say our notepad. What I think we have to write our access list, which is called IP access list 1. We are going to use 125, but you can use your number. You can use your random number from 100 and above, because the below 100 is standard access list. Now we are going to use extended access list because we know the port number that we are going to allow. Okay. Let's write this one. IP access list. Access list 125 access list. IP access list extended 125. Yeah, here we have to put extended. What I think, I'm going to deny everything from this network. to access services here, I'm going to deny everything and I permit any. Let's see an example. I'm going to deny TCP, this FTP, POP3, SMTP, telnet, tftp, snmp, domain, echo, and echo reply. Echo is for pinging. Now the ping also should be denied, and I permit any means now I am permitting the web service, because not listed as the services that I'm going to deny. Let's grab this one and we paste. Okay, let's ping and see by using this one. Let's first see the IP address of this server. Okay, and we try to ping and we see. I see the destination reached, and we try to access web service, and we see. I think it should not work also, but okay. Now as you see, we can, and we test if it's working. Let's first ping and we see. You see, destination hosts unreachable. Now it's not pinging, and we can see if we can access. Let's check if we can access web service. Now you can access web service. Okay, this question is finished by now. This one is done. IT subnets should be able to back up all networks device configuration to tftp. Okay, means the router which have the configuration of IT subnet should be ready to restore the configurations by using tftp. Okay, let's see where IT subnet is located. IT subnet, it's in this router. Okay, means we have to do enable connect. There's no reason to go in there. We have to copy our configurations, which the IT subnet we have to back up to copy the running configurations which are located in this router, because the one which holding the configuration of IT subnet, and we copy it to the tftp. This one have the tftp service. As we can come here, services, tftp. I see this the configurations, the default configuration that it can be restored. Let's first come here and we copy. Let's first copy the IP address of this router, of this server, and we come here. Let's see, copy running configuration to tftp. tftp address. Let's paste the address, the remote, which is this server, and we name it it configs. Okay, now you see the run configuration, and now done. Let's see if we can see them at tftp services. Let's say in services tftp, and now you can see our it config. So anytime that this router can crash or have any problem and lost one of the configurations, now it's okay to back up. It's copy, and it's a reverse copy tftp to startup config. Now this also is done. Let's see the fifth is say students and HR should be denied accessing web services. Okay, in students and HR. Students, let's see where students is. Student, the VLAN, this VLAN, and HR. The second and last VLANs means this one. Let's see the IP address of this, so that we can know the okay. Now let's write our access list. Let's write it in here. Okay, let's write it here, no problem. Configure terminal, access list. Let's call it 125. Okay. Access list extended IP access list extended 125. Let's do it 120. Let's use 120, and we do deny TCP. If I can say, let's see in my TCP, and we do the destination, which is this one. This the source address, and this the host address. Means we're going to deny 192.168 or the 168.30.0.000. Let's first we want to deny the 15 addresses and hosts. Our hosts, let's paste our address, which is echo. Now you can use echo symbol, echo to www, which is the web service, and permit any address, any source address, any destination address. IP, permit IP any. Okay, Now let's come. Yes, this one is located on the right address. Let's see if we can access web service. Paste our destination. Now you see the request timeout. Let's try to ping and you see. Now you can ping. Everything is working as we expected, because we wanted to deny this access list, this web services to this subnet, which is the student, and we come here to the HR also, configure terminal, and the two IP access lists extended 125, let's say 121, and we do deny TCP source address 192.168.70, I think, .0. Let's see. Okay, that's 17 0, and try to deny like 15, the first 15 IP addresses, and our destination. Let's place it here. Okay, equal, which spot is equal to, we can use 80 or we can use www, but for now, because the first one we use www, let's use 80 here so that you see it's the same, and we permit IP, any source address, any destination address. Let's check if we can, if it's working. We should not access web service. Okay, I will request timeout, but let's try to ping and we see. Now see, you can ping, means all of the services we can access everything, but for web services you cannot. For these networks, the students and HR departments. Okay, means this is also done. So there's a question that we have to do differently for on the part 3 of this playlist of these configurations of these questions. For example, we're going to skip this one because we will do it separately. Let's come on this 8. All routers should be given meaningful names for better management. Banners should be set accordingly. Be advised to use the same enable password to all devices for easy troubleshooting. First, we have to set names for all routers. In configuration modes, we can write host name, and we do R1, which is router 1. Means our router will be named R1. Means you have to do it for every router. Host name R2. Because by default it's called the router, and here you can host name R3, and you do it for every router because we do not have much time. Let's you have to do it for all routers. You can use it for also switches, just to differentiate them. Banners. You have also to configure banners. Banners are divided into 3 of them of types. There's morning of the day banner, there's login banner, and other one which I'm not remembering now. Now you have to let's do banner morning of the day. Okay, you put like everything that you want to end with, like this one, like hashtag, and they give you the way of writing your message. Let's say I want to write hello there. Hello there. How are you? Be aware of this router. Okay, and we end with this also, with this hashtag, and we enter. Means our banner is set it. Let's exit from this one and also exit. Now you can see hello there, how are you, be aware of this router. Means it's the first. You can also use more login, banner login, and you end with this also. You let's say you must be authorized to use this router, and you end also with this. Okay, because we don't not have the passwords. Now you can see our banner, the first banner that we created, and also here we're going to use enable, because this question have sub questions. We have to configure banners, we have to configure names for every router, and we have to configure the passwords. Enable password, like Cisco 1. Let's exit from this one. Enable, and they ask you the password. You have to write Cisco 1 as you provided. Now you can access the enable Cisco 1. Now you can be okay. Now these things that I'm working on this router, it must be configured on every router. So because we do not have much time, I'm using on this router so that you can see what's going on. Okay, this is also done. By the help of DNS. Okay, this also you can use with this one, number 7 and number 9. Let's come on this number 10. Okay, this number 10. Number 10, the user should be able to send internal emails in the intranet by the help of the server in our premises. So if we have a server, we have the ability to configure our mail server so that we can send everyone, we can send emails among us, okay, without internet connections by intranet. Okay, let's try to do it. Let's come on this server and we configure. Let's see, mail server, email. Okay, domain, let's use gmail.com. Our user, let's see, PC0 for example. Password, let's use Cisco1. Now means I think we have the first one. Okay, PC1, Cisco1, PC2. It's going okay, Cisco1. Let's stop by there. So, but you have to add all of the PCs that are located in this, that you want to send emails in these premises. Okay, let's come on this first, and you come on the mail. Let me see, I'm PC0. Let me see if we used PC0 or PCO. Is it PC0? Yeah, it's 0. No, yeah, it's 0. Okay, let's say I'm PC0. PC0. Here is pc0@gmail.com. Incoming server, we're going to use this one. IP address of this server. And this outgoing also is the same. Our user is PC0 and our password is Cisco1, and we save. Okay, let's configure. So let's see, we can say this one is also the, let's use this one to be a PC1, because the first one was PC0. Let's say PC1, email PC1@gmail.com. IP address of the mail server, which is this one, PC1 and Cisco1. Save it. Now we have configured two machines as the mail. This one can send emails by intranet. Let's see if it's working now. But you have to do it for every machine, because every machine have to send email without using internet by. But it has to be using intranet. Without internet connection, let's have on the mail and try to compose, to send emails. The address we're going to send to pc0@gmail.com, and the subject is greeting. Hi. Let's try to send. Let's come on this PC and this made. Let's receive and see if we have the okay. Now you see we have the new emails. Hi. Let's say we have, let's for example want to reply, and we say hello PC1, how are you? We send. If we come on this PC and we try to receive, the email is coming from PC0 and saying hello PC1, how are you? Now you can now have a conversation with each other in the premises. Okay, and now this also is done. Okay, the 11th, write 3 interlinked HTML pages which will be hosted in the web server. We have the default one. Yeah, for editing the HTML that we are seeing here. Let's say we want to access web service here. Now you see the default web that we see: small page, back, copyrights, like this. We have to configure ours so that it's the one that we have to see. Let's come on these services, HTTP, and we see all the pages here. Let's say for index.html, let's say we want to edit it. Let's come and see. Let's see. Hello everyone. We are here to help you get knowledge on working, submitting, and also be able to write access lists. Let's say for here we have to see networking, submitting, and access list. This, for example, we do this one. Here you can see that we can write. This is a mini project with all you need to know. Yes, let's save it. There's already found the same name. Yes. Okay. Yes, for example, we try also to access it, and we see. Now you see this one is changed. This is a mini project with all you need to know. Hello everyone. Yeah. This is spelled. Okay. Now it's working properly. That you need to write your HTML, and I know you know how to write HTMLs. And that's everything. Okay, now this is also done. This is done. Now you remember they said 3 interlinked HTML, so you have to go to this. You have to go to this this copyrights, and you change, because on copyrights we did subnetting. On copyrights, that you need to include something that's related to subnetting. Okay, because we do not have much time, and I know you know how to write HTML pages. Let's come on this. This is also need to be done with the remaining one. Let's come on this 14th. Configure DHCP relay on both routers, in both router 2 and router 4 legs, to ensure automatic IP addresses assignments to the host in branch and head office. Okay, I'm going to show you how to configure DHCP relay. DHCP relay. Let's come on the router 2. Router 2 means is this one. This was router 0, router 1. Let's come on this one. Enable configure terminal. Let's come on this router and we start configure our DHCP relay. The thing that we have to do is IP DHCP pool VLAN 10, and we do IP address. We do IP DHCP pool VLAN 10 network 192.168.20.0 255.255.255.0, and we do our default router. Let's say our default router, to be sure. Our default router is this one, and we paste. And the second one also, IP DHCP pool VLAN 20. Our network 192.168.30.0.255.0. Default router. Let's paste and edit this way. Okay, now you have to come also like this, also the 40. Is it 40? Is it 30? 30. Network. You have to put here 4, and default router, which is 4. Okay. Then you have to come here also. Let's see our default router here. 50. That's the same. Let's continue editing. DHCP pool 40, and we do network. Here is 50. Our default router, which is 50 here. Exit. DHCP pool 50, network here is 60, and our default router, which is here 60. And the last one, DHCP pool 60, our network, which is 70, and our default router, which is 7 here. Okay, the remaining thing we have to come on this enable Cisco 1, and we do show running config. Let's running config, and you see our interfaces 10. We have to come on this first Ethernet 00 and 10. Let's see the IP addresses of this, which is going to provide automatic IP address to these machines. A serial 00, it's 210.10.2, 210.10.2. We come here, configure terminal, interface first Ethernet 00.10, and we do IP helper address 200.10.10.2. We exit, we come on the 20, IP address this one, and 30. Okay, let's come on this one and enable configure terminal. Let's see that do show what to show. Running config 40, 50 and 60. F00.40 IP helper address 210.10.2 and 50, the same helper address, and this 60. Address. Okay, let's see if we can get the IP addresses automatically by using DHCP. Now we have the static IP addresses. Now let's see if we can get, as you see here, we are now getting the IP addresses automatically from this router, which is now called DHCP relay. And static, and see if we can get the DHCP. No, it's okay. And for every machine here must have the IP addresses of DHCP automatically. Okay, it's static. Let's try to get. Okay, now what you have to do as also an assignment to you is to configure the DHCP relay from this router to provide automatic IP addresses to all of these machines. For my advice, do not provide the DHCP address to this server, because the IP addresses keep changing and we used this address for many. We use this address of the server for many different things, and if it's changed, it will affect everything that we did. So do not use DHCP IP address to this server. So use this router to configure DHCP relay to this address, to these machines and these ones, and do not use this. It's for my advice. If you challenge, it's a challenge that if you give the DHCP relay, as many days comes, it will take the different IP addresses which is not this one, and it will affect you for the things that we did. For example, the different things. Yeah, thank you so much. Let's end this part 2 on this, because this one is also done. Let's stop by here, and the next part, which is the final one, we'll do the remaining things, the remaining questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6. We're remaining with 6 questions because these ones are now done. Okay, it's for designing, it's for using Packet Tracer 7. It's now this is not questions, but we have also to design. We also design after, like this one. You see the design here. Yeah, we also design. Thank you so much. Let's stop by here, and see you in the next video. Thank you.